Scout, attention! Scout, stand at ease. Scout, attention!
Heads up!
I wish you all a very good morning and happy Republic Day. Today we have gathered here to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our nation. On this day in 1950, our constitution came into effect, making India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. Let's feel the pride of being an Indian. To begin our proceedings, let us pay tribute to our glorious tricolor. I request our respected sir to please come forward to unfurl the national flag.
We salute the flag up!
flying high reminds us of the courage, unity, and integrity of our nation. Now, to understand the significance of this day, I invite Nora and Lanet from Standard 8 to deliver English speech.
A very pleasant good morning to our respected principal madam, sirs, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, as the tricolor flutters high in the sky, it's not just color, it speaks of sacrifice, courage, and countless dreams laid out for the birth of a free India. Today, we celebrate 26th January, the day when nation chose to govern itself with dignity, justice, and unity. On this day, in 1950, our constitution came into force, giving voice to the weakest, strength to the oppressed, and equality to all. It reminds us that India is not just a country ruled by power, but by its value. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other visionaries gave us a constitution that is not just a document, but the soul of our democracy. But my dear friends, the true celebration of Republic Day isn't in parade alone. It's in our character, when we stand for truth, when we respect one another, when we choose unity over division. We truly honor our republic. India stands tall among all nations, but the future of this great country rests on our shoulders. Let us build an India where every child dreams freely, every woman walks fearlessly, and every citizen lives with dignity. Let us also rise beyond culture, caste, religion, and languages. And remember, we are Indian first. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Nora. Your words remind us of the importance of our constitution and our duties as a citizen. Next, I would like to call Michelle Alina Williams from Standard 7 to deliver Hindi speech.
आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि प्रधानाचार्य, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आप सभी को इस पावन दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हम सभी भारत के 77वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस को मनाने के लिए एकत्रित उपस्थित हुए हैं। और जैसे कि आप सभी जानते हैं, विधि व्यवस्था के बिना स्वतंत्रता का कोई अर्थ नहीं होता। और आज़ादी के बाद हमारे देश के सामने बहुत बड़ी चुनौती थी कानून व्यवस्था, अतः देश को पूर्ण रूप से संप्रभु बनाने के लिए हमारे महापुरुषों ने भारतीय संविधान लिखा और 26 जनवरी 1950 को यह संविधान लागू हुआ। संविधान के निर्माता डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर ने हमें एक ऐसा संविधान दिया जिसे हमें अपने अधिकारों के साथ साथ कर्तव्यों को भी नमन करते हैं, जिन्होंने हमें आज आज़ादी दिलाई और एक बेहतर राष्ट्र का सपना देखा। जिन्होंने हमें आज़ादी दिलाई और एक बेहतर राष्ट्र का सपना देखा। अतः हम सब भी यह राष्ट्र की एकता अखंडता को बनाए रखने का प्रण लेते हैं। बलिदानों का सपना जब सच हुआ, देश तभी आज़ाद हुआ। आज सलाम करें उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से यह भारत स्वतंत्र हुआ। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Michelle, for that incredible speech. On this auspicious occasion, I request our respected sir to share some inspiring words with us today.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the management members, teachers, and my dear students. A very happy Republic Day to all of you on the behalf of Principal Madam. We celebrate 26th January not only for the celebration but also to value all the points, all the rules laid in the Constitution of India. I just want to bring one point in front of everyone, the word discipline. If you calculate the position of the alphabets of the letters in the discipline and you sum up all the positions, it will come to 100. That means 100% discipline leads to success. So we, all the disciplined students, remember that you will form a better society, and the better society leads to better nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance.